Pinterest stands out as an excellent platform for initiating or enhancing your online earnings. This image sharing and social media service attracts substantial traffic that can be converted into a lucrative hub. However, achieving success requires consistent effort, particularly in consistently publishing a growing number of pins. Maintaining such regularity can be challenging, but I have a solution for you. Today, I'd like to introduce an AI tool that can serve as a reliable companion on your money-making journey through Pinterest. Without further delay, let's explore the Pin Generator. This AI tool empowers you to effortlessly generate multiple pins automatically each day, ensuring your content remains prominent in the Pinterest algorithm. You can even leverage AI to modify text and descriptions easily. To get started, simply open your browser and visit pingenerator.com. Once on the home page, paste your web page link into the provided URL box. For instance, consider using this post link, which focuses on the best drones under $500. Let's go ahead and copy the link. Subsequently, insert it into the Pin Generator's URL box and click the Generate Pin button. The AI will then analyze the website and its images. Your task is to choose from the images identified by the Pin Generator, opting for only the intact ones. After selecting the images, click on the Generate button. This action will automatically generate a variety of pins. In this demonstration, you can observe that it has produced 12 pins. If you desire more pins, simply click on the relevant option, and the tool will generate additional ones. For instance, clicking again resulted in the creation of 24 pins. Now let's proceed with customizing our pins. If you wish to modify the color and font, navigate to the corresponding section. Here, you'll find the colors used in the pin, and you can alter them as per your preference. For a single color scheme, click here. If you want to activate font overrides, click on the designated option. I recommend avoiding this feature. Adjacent to the template, you have the option to personalize the pin template. Keep it on if you prefer a random style pin, or turn it off if you want to select a specific design style. For the design aspect, deselect the randomize option, and to choose templates, click on Select Template. Opt for using one of each selected template, and then proceed by clicking. Moving on to image customization, you have the option to randomize images or use one of each image, displaying the full image within the available space. In this instance, I won't be using the randomization feature. Additionally, you can upload your own image if desired, though I'll skip this step for now. Now focus on the detected images. You can select or deselect images identified by AI. Choose the images you wish to include in your pins. Next, consider the stock image option, allowing you to search for related stock images and incorporate them into your pin. Simply enter a topic, such as drones, in the search bar. You'll see a selection of drone images. Choose one and drag it onto the design. Moving on to video options, you can upload videos to use in your pin. Now, the crucial part is the AI options. This tool enables the rewriting of pin titles and descriptions, preventing repeated content on Pinterest. It allows for the posting of unlimited unique posts with the same URL. Click on Rewrite All Titles to initiate this process. Subsequently, to create an account, click on the Sign Up button. Provide your name, email address, Pinterest handle, and password. Once the account is created, access the AI options. Select your language, choose the AI tone, and enter keywords. Click on Rewrite All Titles with AI once all settings are in place. If you wish to rewrite descriptions, click on Rewrite All Descriptions with AI. Following the AI options, you'll find bulk settings, allowing you to input custom title, description, outbound links, and URL title. Set your outbound link by copying your article or product link. Copy and paste it into the designated outbound links box. Once everything is configured, navigate to the top of the page and select Schedule All Pins. Grant access to the Pin Generator to post on your Pinterest profile by clicking on Give Access here. Following that, choose a board where you wish to pin. You can create a new pin by clicking on the plus icon. To tailor the scheduled pin, access the Schedule tab and click on Edit Schedule Settings. Determine the number of pins to post per day. Select pin posting times, set the time zone, and establish current time slots. Once all settings are finalized, click on Save Settings. The Pin Generator AI will now post pins on your behalf, enhancing the likelihood of generating sales and allowing you to earn passive income. As we conclude, I'd love to hear about your experience with utilizing AI for your Pinterest business. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like it, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights.